on Germania Road, just outside of Bracebridge. And we noticed that sign about seasonal flooding. Now, they weren't specific. They didn't say what season. Could be spring, could be fall. And then we're driving along, and look at how close to the road this water's getting. It doesn't take much to visualize that water coming right up over the road. And right there it meets the pavement.
And the road feels really, really squishy.
Oh, right there it's starting to come up on it. Is it squishy?
It's squishy.
I don't know, I'm almost afraid. Oh, and look! There's a vacuum cleaner in the ditch. Was somebody trying to suck up all the water? Look at it.